Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're okay, hope everything's fine, and hope life's treating you good. Monday morning, proper tired this morning, don't know. It was a rough week last week, trust me. Lots of, how shall we say, unprovoked, unnecessary attacks. You know, on innocent people. Kind of brain numbing. Anyway, enough of that stuff. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my faves at home, and that's homemade Scotch eggs. Now I'm not going to do the whole lot. All I do is I'll just show you how to make one, okay? Okay, it's very quickly because my oil, my chip pan oil, is heating up really quick here, so I don't want to, because otherwise I'm going to start smoking. I'll catch the place alight. Okay, so this is very quickly what you're going to need. You're going to need boiled eggs, hot or cold, don't make no difference. Boiled eggs, however many you want. I've done a dozen, okay? And the reason why I've done a dozen is because I've used a dozen sausages. Plain ordinary sausages. The ones I use are Cumberlands, because I like all the herbs and spices in them. So, 8 Cumberlands, cut the packets of Cumberland sausages, cut the skins off the first 8, straight in a bowl, take another 4 from another packet, take the skins off them, fry them in there. Now you could get your hands in there and give it all of a mix up, and, okay, but you get stuck to death, so what you have to do is just put a little bit of water in your hands first before you start messing with the sausage meat. Grab hold of your egg, wrap it in a bit of sausage meat, dip it in beaten egg, into golden breadcrumbs, and straight in the chip pan. Are you ready? Are you steady? Because it's getting very, very hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it in front of you, and then put it on a plate, cut it in half a shade, just exactly what it is. Okay, very quickly. Just dab your hands, a little bit of water, like that. You've got your egg. You put your egg there. You get a sausage, a little bit of water on your hands, just so your sausage meat don't stick. Okay, get it out like that. Put your sausage, squeeze your sausage like that, and then just wrap the sausage meat around your sausage so you ball it up. That's all you need, don't need anything else. There you go. Normally, if the eggs are small enough, which these ones are because they're proper small, the eggs are small enough, you should be able to get 1 sausage per egg. Okay? And what you do, excuse me, dip that in there, give it a good turn in the old beaten egg. Are you watching what I'm doing? Put that egg straight in there and then roll, so that the egg soaks up all the breadcrumbs until you're left yourself with, excuse me, until you're left yourself with the golden sausage egg meatball. An egg sausage meatball. Grab hold of it, put it in your thing, just gently lower it into the oil. And as you gently lower it into the oil, as soon as you're at the bottom of the pan, just give it a little shake. Just give it a little shake like that. And it just stops the Scotch egg from sticking to the top of the bottom of the pan. Okay, I'm going to quickly rinse this off. You need just a few minutes. Okay, just a few minutes you need. Obviously the breadcrumbs get fried, obviously in a deep fryer. Kind of not switched on this morning, so you guys are going to have to deal with it. You're going to have to deal with it, just bear with it. Kind of not switched on this morning, I don't know why. It's been, like I said, been a rough week last week, I kind of not got over it yet. But anyway, okay, I've only got 1 egg in here and I'm not going to cook them all now. Okay, so just keep an eye on it, keep moving it about. Because you don't want it burnt, but you don't want it that light, you want it just that nice dark golden brown. Okay? So what you're really doing, because the egg's cooked, the breadcrumbs are breadcrumbs, the egg's the egg, so really all of your cooking is the sausage meat. And you know, you've seen that you've only used 1 sausage, so you know that the meat on the outside is probably about that thick. So it's not very thick and won't take very long for it to cook in chip pan. Okay. Now this is obviously on our menu for tonight, Scotch eggs. I make these all the time, and like I've said in my other videos, turn it down a bit, like I'm getting a bit hot at the moment. Yeah, like I've said in my other videos, kids love these, I've always loved Scotch eggs myself anyway. And then my wife takes them into work for the women at her work, so as I've said before, thanks women for my mum's work. That's what I mean, my head's just not on it today. Thanks to the women at my wife's work who eat all my Scotch eggs. I love you too, thank you very much, and I'm glad you like them. Like I said before many times, I'm not a professional chef, I don't profess to be. I don't know everything, but what I do know is good food. And I like delicious homemade cooked food. Does that make any sense? Like I said, I am definitely not switched on properly today. So, just getting a little shake. As I said, I'm not going to keep you to normal. My last video was like 40 minutes long, and what should have taken a 10-minute job. But as I said, it was for a very special person, and that's why it took so long. Okay, I've turned the gas down because, like I said, it's early now. It's only 12 o'clock. I won't cook the rest of these now until all the family get home. Should be after 4. But I'm all ready to go now. Got that there. I'm going to move this plate. Should have been ready for this, so that'll tell you me it's not in the game today. Okay, let me grab a piece of kitchen roll. I'm going to grab a piece of kitchen roll. Okay, just take it out the oil. Yeah, can you hear that? Put that over there so you can see. Just roll it out. Okay, there you go. One. Be careful because it's hot. But one. Homemade, fresh, golden Scotch egg. Now here comes the good bit. Be very careful. It's very hot. It smells beautiful. Okay. Put my chip pan now. Let's put that over in the corner while it's cooling down for a couple of secs. Okay. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Okay, I'm going to get a knife out of your dishwasher. There you go, there's a knife. Okay, just an ordinary knife. I'm going to get the plate out so I can show you just before I switch off. Nice fresh clean plate. Okay. Can you see that there? Yeah, you're looking good there? Okay. Are you ready? I love this. Okay. Ready? Just going to cut it in half. Now, you see me just cook this, okay? I'm going to grab all of that. Oh, can you hear that crispiness? Just hold it there like that. Cut straight through the middle. Ready? Voila. Oh, there you go. The yolk is there. Okay. And there you go. So you can see a bit of yolk there. That's because they're small, dinky eggs. There you go. Okay. And there you have it. One homemade Scotch egg. Isn't that beautiful? As you can see, no raw sausage meat. All the sausage meat's cooked. Can't see it, look, because the light's on it. Pure golden brown breadcrumbs. Beautiful Cumberland, herby, spicy, sweet sausage meat. And an ordinary, small egg. I don't really know what else to say, to be honest with you. I'm trying to... It's a bit boring today, isn't it? It's a bit boring today. I really have got nothing to tell you. To be honest with you, I'm kind of in a... As I said, because of last week, I'm kind of in a daze, to be honest with you. I really don't know what went on last week, you know. It's one thing I've learned in my life. Isn't it strange how quickly people can turn against you? Remember that. Anyway, enough of that garbage. Right, so I've just shown you, in the space of probably one of my quickest videos, 8 minutes, I've just shown you how to make a Scotch egg. But let's run through it on a quick right now, okay? So that you don't feel like your time's been wasted for nothing. Okay, so Scotch eggs. Grab your eggs, boil them first. 5 to 8 minutes. There'll be many people out there who will give you specific timings to boil an egg. Oh, it's like this, or you get a few minutes for that, and a few minutes for this, a few minutes for this. Perfect boiled egg, 3 minutes from boil point. You've got to wait until it boils. Then, as soon as it boils, then put your watch on. 3 minutes. 3 minutes should give you a nice, runny, juicy yolk. If you want a hard boiled for sandwiches and something like this, 5 to 8 minutes. I normally do mine 5 to 6. So as soon as it reaches boiling point and you see it bubbling around, 5 minutes. That's all you need. 5 minutes. 5 minutes will give you the egg I've just shown you. Okay? Perfectly beautiful, beautiful, you know, shade of yellow. Okay? Because what you don't want is the yolk, that darky grey colour, or it goes grey around the outside of the egg inside, which will tell you, quite simply, you've overcooked it. Okay? So that's what you need. Boil your eggs first. You can have them hot, you can have them cold. Don't make no difference. Peel them all. Okay. A couple of eggs in a bowl, beat, which is your wash. Golden breadcrumbs. You can use the normal white ones, and the breadcrumbs basically turn the same colour in the fryer anyway. Okay, so does that make a difference? Really? And then the sausage meat like I've shown you. Don't bother wasting your time going out and getting the packets of sausage meat at the supermarket, because there's the one thing the supermarkets do with a packet of sausages is stuff it full of rusk and fat, okay? And rip you off. Go and get yourself a couple of packets of ordinary sausages with the skins on. Come back here, cut the skins off in a bowl, so you've got big sausage meat. One egg, one sausage meat around the egg as I showed you, till it's nice and covered. Dip it in the egg yolk. Roll it around in all your breadcrumbs, gently put it in your ring, drop it down slowly into your oil, cook it for a few minutes until it's golden brown. You'll know the score, you'll see the colour. Keep an eye on this because it gets hot quick. Chip pan, that's it, take it out, drain it, chop it in half and scuff it. Ready? Like I always say, I never cook anything to you that I'm not prepared to eat myself. Are you ready? Are you steady? Get ready. Go. Oh my god. It's 12:15 and I ain't had no lunch yet anyway. This is my lunch. Oh my god. I could eat these until I puke, trust me. Absolutely delicious. Guys, gotta make these. Make these yourself. Cost you next to nothing. No? Cost you next to nothing. Half a dozen eggs, just over £1. Breadcrumbs, £1. You know, it's next to nothing. Chip pan's already in your gaff, you know. How much is sunflower oil I've got over in the corner there? Guys, shout out to me how much a bottle of cheap sunflower oil is. And a chip pan or an old saucepan off your wall. This is, you could make half a dozen of these. Have them hot, have them cold, put them in sandwiches. Anyway, 12 minutes, kept you long enough. That's how you make a Scotch egg. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, dropping it all over the place. I don't care. Absolutely. Excuse me. Absolutely delicious. And there, very quickly, is how to make homemade Scotch eggs. Okay guys, alright, take care, see you later, and hopefully I'll be in a bit of a better mood, look a bit better, and sound a bit better the next time I see you, okay? Take care, see you later, all the best.